Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Courtney here, and I'm here today to do another installment of my 1 month, 1 Sailor Senshi series that I'm doing makeup looks for, which is a collab video with the Geeks and Beauties Facebook group, which will be linked down below, as well as everybody else in this video, or in this collab. Today I am doing, a headache. I'm doing a headache. So this month for December, it is Sailor Pluto, which is Hunter Green and Black. So I'm going to be doing a green and black makeup look. I do have foundation on and like concealer and blush and bronzer and stuff, but my under eye bags are so serious today. I'm just really sorry. I don't know how to combat that at this time. Sleep is for the weak, apparently. Let me try to like, put more foundation on top or something. Maybe that'll help. I don't think so, but maybe we'll brighten it up a little. Did that help? I don't think so. Just made my nose look funny. Well, can't say I didn't try. Okay. Okay. So I already primed and set my eyes, so we're just gonna jump in. I thought it would be cool. I'm wearing green and black shirt today because I thought it would be cute. But I thought it would be cool if I did green and black in my eyebrows too. So we're gonna try that out. And if it looks really bad, I'll just go over it with my normal stuff. So I'm using the Urban Decay, what are you actually called? Shadow Box palette. The shade Indigo, and I'm gonna use the shade Blackout. I'm gonna do like a green to black kind of ombre situation. This green shade is a shimmer, so let's just see what happens, because I've never done like a ombre brow with color before. I just think it would be kind of fun, and I'm not going anywhere today, so if this stains my eyebrows, who cares, you know? Okay, I'm kind of digging it so far. I don't know. You guys will have to let me know what you think at the end, like once I do them. Because at this moment, it doesn't look so bad, but I haven't put in the black yet. So let's see what happens when I do that. Just blend it in a little, like so. And hope for the best, you know? I do really like this black shadow in this palette. I know for a while Ulta had this on clearance. I don't think it's available anymore, but I do like this black shadow because it's a matte black and it's like black. It's not like gray. Does that make any sense? It's not black. It's not gray toned or anything. It's legitimately like a matte black, and I appreciate it for what it is. So let me spoolie these really quick and just see what we're working with here. I don't know, I'm kind of fucking digging it. I dig it. I don't really know if you can tell on camera, but it looks cute. Not a wearable everyday situation, but still cute. Am I like even in the center of this right now? Okay, so like I said, I already did prime my eyes, so we are going to go forth and do some stuff very specific. I think I don't know what to do for a transition shade, so I think what I'm going to do is use, this is the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to use this turquoisey shade. I know it's not Hunter Green, but we're just going to have to go with it for the moment, and I think I'm going to pop that in my crease as a transition shade and then just see what happens from there. I don't have like a specific look I am working towards with this Sailor Scout. For some of the other ones, I kind of planned it out ahead of time in my mind, and this one we're kind of just going in. So if it ends up looking really, really bad, you won't see it. I'll just refilm and do a different eye look. Ha ha ha, the magic of the internet. Okay, so that's what we got so far. I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild. This is the Plaid to the Bone palette, I am painting this bottom green shade, and I want to put that also in my crease to kind of deepen it up. I might need to get a different brush, so let's try it with this one and see what happens, and then we'll just go from there. Oh yeah, no, okay, hold on. Okay, I'm using a thinner brush from e.l.f. and the Sun's Still Behind the Cloud. Just to kind of deepen up that crease. So this is hopefully gonna be alright. But I'm going for more of like a smoky green black eye. Hopefully it doesn't look like I actually have a black eye. That's not the goal at the end of this video. Okay, so that's what we're doing right now. That's what we're doing. That's how we're feeling. I'm not terribly upset about it. So I'm taking my Real Techniques like dense blending brush. This is the domed shadow brush, just kidding. And my Kathleen Lights and Morphe palette, and I'm just taking this nude shade right here. And I'm just going to tap a little bit onto my brush and then blend between those two colors a little. Just to see what happens. Kind of like dull down the Wet n Wild shadow a little. Oh yeah, that's better. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna go back in really quick with that Juvia's Place palette and just brighten that again in the corner, or in the crease, the transitioning shade. Oops. Now I'm blending onto my ends. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of that shadow again and just go over again until I like how it looks. That looks better. Just gives it a little bit more vibrance again. And I don't know if any of you have this problem, but like my left eye is droopier than my right eye. So, or reverse, my right eye is droopier than my left eye. So I have less lid space that shows on one side than the other, which is annoying. But all of the women in my family have this problem. So I guess it's genetic. Thanks, Grandma. But, okay, so now we're gonna go back in with that Shadow Box palette and the thin crease brush with blackout, the black shade, and we're just gonna put that right on the outside here. Deepen that mother up, yeah. Okay, so we're working, we're doing stuff. Alright, and just to intensify the shadow I'm gonna put down, I am using my ColourPop Super Shock Cheek and Periloon. I don't know. It's not really picking up on camera, but it has like a green shift to it. And it's super pretty. I'm also gonna use this as a highlight. But can you see it in my eye? A little bit. It's just super glittery, pretty goodness, basically. Alright, so let me put it on this side. I did use my pink one of these in my Sailor Moon tutorial, which was for March, I believe. I'll have it linked down below. Actually, I'll have the whole playlist linked down below. But I really dug it. It was nice. So now I'm torn between using this green, and I know none of these are hunter green, sue me, or this like bright green right in the middle. I think I'm going to use the one from the Kathleen Lights palette, just because it fits, I think, a little better. Alright, I'm going to packing brush. La 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 la, so professional. Girl. Oh, this looks so good. I feel like you can't really tell on camera how good this looks in person. Disappointing. But it's okay. Alright, so then I'm going to take just, this is from Shop Miss A. It's just a domed, or more like a pointed shadow brush. Words are hard for me. And I'm going to take Indo from the shadow box, and I'm going to run it under my lash line just to get crazy and kind of tie it in as well to my brows. Okay, and just because I'm really bad at wing liner, I'm taking a pencil liner and I'm going to kind of map out where I want the wing to go. So I'm using, this is a Ulta dual-ended one, and this is in black. Alright, liner time, let's do this. Hopefully it doesn't look bad at the end. Okay, so this kind of happened, and normally I would wear falsies with this kind of situation because it's pretty intense, but I apparently have no eyelash glue in all of my apartment, so I would put falsies on this, but I don't have any. I kind of smudged at the edge of the wings, sort of semi on purpose. I wouldn't do that again if I did this look one more time, but it is what it is. I'm going to do a black lip because I think it'll be pretty. And I'm taking my e.l.f. Cosmetics moisturizing lipstick in Blackout and going to put that all over. And then, because I can, and I just really want to, I'm taking some of that green shade from Juvia's Place. And I'm just going to put it in the central-ish region. Mash my lips together and go. Okay, I'm also going to take some of that lighter green that I just put on my lips and put it in my inner corner with this little brush. Because I think it'll brighten it and make it less doom and gloom looking. I am an evil queen, fear me if you dare. Like I already talked about, I'm going to throw that highlighter on my cheeks as well, just to tie everything into green. So I'm putting it on my cheekbones, my nose, the bridge of my nose, and I'm going to put it under my eyebrows, on my brow bone as well. Just because I can, mostly. This is my finished look, and honestly, I'm obsessed with it. I mean, the liner could be better, obviously, but I mean, so, if you guys like this video, definitely go ahead and subscribe, give it a like, let me know what you liked about it down below, what you would have done differently, etc. Let me know who your favorite Sailor Scout is down below as well. I need to set this camera down, it's heavy, hold on. Like I said, let me know down below who your favorite Sailor Scout is and what you're doing today. Tell me about your day down below. Definitely go check out everybody else listed down below in the description box that's participating in this collab as well. And I love you guys so much. Like I said, if you want to hang out with me anywhere else on social media, that's all down below as always. Twitter, Tumblr, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat's down there. You can hang out with me. You can also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and see my face more often. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you all in the next one. Bye, everybody.